Hey, my dear friends, this is our garden today. This is a patch where we get a lot of butterflies. I do not want to go near them because I may disturb them. A yellow butterfly is there, some yellow flowers are up there, and this is our garden, my dear friends. I just want to propagate my money plants. It was raining yesterday. I want to grow a lot of money plants here. And a lot of and friends are here. These are our hibiscus plants. Small, tiny birds come here. Very small, tiny ones. Smaller than flowers. They come here to take the nectar. It's a hot, sunny day. And can you see the lemons? Some more are there in the top, have branches. It's hard to find them because they're camouflaged green within green. And this is a mango tree here, hibiscus, lemon, and few more trees are here. Few more creepers. Happy day, my dear friends. A day full of love, light, and happiness, prosperity, wisdom, and peace.